Cristiano digging in the dirt.
Whoa.
Hey, bud. Cristiano. What you got there? Dirt? Mulch? Oh, you want to get in. The dirtier the better. My kind of guy. Whoa. So you love the sand? Wow. You love the dirt. You're just a boy's boy, huh? All right. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Cristiano. Say bye-bye. No? Okay.